Are you logged out of your own computer, seeing that blue BitLocker recovery screen and have no idea where your key is being located? So don't get panic whether you are using an HP, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, Toshiba. Your recovery key is out there. You just need to know where exactly to look. And today I'm going to show you all the possible and the fastest way to find out your recovery key. Now, when you set up your BitLocker on the drive, it gave you three different options to save your recovery key. Number one, you can save it to your drive. Number two, you can give a printout. Or number three, you can save it to Microsoft account. So let's start with number one. If you have given a printout, then you have to look for that paper and it will contain the BitLocker recovery key. But if you have not chosen this option, let's go with the method number two, where you might have saved the BitLocker recovery key somewhere in your drive. And in order to find that recovery key in your drive, what you will have to do, from this BitLocker page only, you will have to press the escape key. As it says, press escape for BitLocker recovery. Then again, you will have to press the escape key for more recovery option. So press escape again. And then it says preparing the BitLocker recovery. And next it says BitLocker, enter the recovery key, and at the bottom it says skip this drive. So you need to click on skip this drive, and very soon you will be getting this kind of page and it will give you all the advanced option. So you will have to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced option, and finally you have to click on command prompt. Now once you click on command prompt, for many of you the command prompt will immediately come up, but in case if it doesn't come up, it might give you a different screen like this. So you will have to click on restart to launch. And once you are inside the command prompt, what you have to do, you will have to type here notepad, N-O-T-E-P-A-D, and hit the enter key. So the notepad will be up. And here from the notepad, from the left hand side, you have to click on file, then click on open. And it will bring up the file explorer for you, from where you can navigate to any of your drive. From the left hand side, click on this PC. Then you have to look here for the drive where you think you have saved the recovery key of the BitLocker. So I have saved in my data drive. So I will bring it up. And here in the data drive, you can find a folder by the name BitLocker key. So and if I open it, so you will find here my BitLocker recovery key along with the key number. And on your side also, you will find very similar like this that says BitLocker recovery key. Now once you get it, make a double click on it to open it. And you will find the entire recovery key here. So you can just copy it. You can take a screenshot of it or a photo of it from your mobile phone. And after saving this recovery key, now you can close each and everything. Click on continue. And this time when you come to the BitLocker page again, it's asking you for the PIN, so you will have to press the escape key for the BitLocker recovery. And then here where it says enter the recovery key for this drive, you can enter the same recovery key that you grabbed from your local drive. And once you will enter it, you would be able to reset the PIN. You would be able to bypass this blue screen page very easily. But now, let's say if this method also doesn't work for you, you did not save the BitLocker key, BitLocker recovery key in your drive, then probably you have saved it to your Microsoft account. And for that, what you will have to do, come to any other PC or laptop, or you can bring up your mobile phone. And in the mobile phone, you will have to come to this website that will be aka.ms.my/myrecoverykey. Once you type this address and hit the enter key, it will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. So you will have to log in with the same Microsoft account that you use to save the recovery key of the BitLocker. And once you log in with the same Microsoft account, it will immediately take you to this kind of page. It will show you the BitLocker recovery key. Again, you can just copy it, you can save it, you can take a picture of it and come back to your laptop or PC asking for the BitLocker recovery key, enter it, and then you would be able to bypass it. So these are the three possible solutions in order to find your recovery key and bypass the BitLocker recovery page. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully these all three solutions will surely work for you to find out the recovery key of the BitLocker. And if you got the solution, please let me know in the comment section and do not forget to like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.